What is it today? Oh, it's a cheesesteak, baby. Ooh, let's go.
Have you ever heard of rakebit.com? RAKEBIT.com. You bring the crypto, we bring the emotions. No KYC, no limits, just jackpot explosions. Rakebit.com, where you go full rockstar with zero ID checks and over 7,000 games. Spin it, win it, withdraw it, boom!
Oh, yeah. Typically, I like my beef medium rare, of course, but you can do that if you want. But, I mean, it's thin sliced. Just cook it. It's fine. For a cheesesteak, well-done thin sliced beef is not a bad idea. Plus, it's probably going to be a little difficult to get it a medium rare anyway. But you do whatever you want to do. Either way, it's going to be delicious. And get it separated real well there. Yeah. That's fucking yummy. Yeah, give it a little stir in there. Start getting it browned up. About halfway through, you can go ahead and add in your onions and peppers, which I also salted and peppered. Just throw those all in there. And I usually like to use butter instead of oil, but I just didn't have any butter. So you can use oil. If you're going to use oil, use olive oil. Go sparing as possible on it too, because you don't want it all greasy. I mean, maybe you do. The flavor's in the fat. Now, what'll usually help, put a touch of water in there, some of that steam going on. Just make sure you cook all that water out, because it'd be kind of stupid to leave it in there. Crank the heat up a little bit. You want to get those peppers and onions cooked up real good. And once it gets to how you like it, it comes time to add the cheese. Now, I'm using American cheese. Technically, you can use whatever cheese you want, but if you want a real cheesesteak flavor, you have to use American cheese, guys. Of course, you can use Cheese Whiz and all that, but don't divert too far away, because it's the flavor you're going for. And the American cheese I'm using is this Kraft caramelized onion cheese. And let me tell you, dude, that cheese is the perfect combination for a cheesesteak. While it's still piping hot in the pan and still going, you want to put that cheese in there and get it all melted up. Gotta have plenty of cheese, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let it melt a little bit. You can toss in another tiny bit of water just to get some steam going. Just a little. Give it a good mix. You can turn that down now. Got enough heat to carry us through to the end.